Hi folks, it's Moz here. Time for another kit review. This time we've got the Crusader II 172 scale by Armourfast, and this kit contains 2 models. So I've never heard of Armourfast, and people have telling me that they're actually very basic kits, but they do go well together. So if you're looking for a really nice Mojo Build, these are the sort of kits to get. And I want to thank Wrecker's Yard Toys for sending me this kit. It was part of a 3 set that he sent me, and he wanted me to review them. And I will also link to their website below where you can buy this kit. As I said, I know nothing about Armourfast, so this is going to be a bit of a new one for me. But at £7.22, what does that make it? So what's that? £3.66 per kit? £3.61, is that sort of area? So £7.22, and you get 2 kits inside of this Crusader II. On the side there, you've got some foreign lingo there. Here you've got the number there, which is 99026, 172 scale. Again, some information there, basically just some warning saying contains small parts. Glue, paint and decals not included, so there's no decals in this kit either, so you're basically just going to have to find your way through with this one. So basically I just think it's just plastic. On the back is the instructions on how to build it, but it doesn't really tell you any call outs, any colors that you need. So then there you go. So we'll open the box and we'll see what we get inside. But before we open the box, I'd just like to ask you, if you're not a subscriber, would you please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified when I release a new video? It really does help the channel. And just let me know in the comments, have you built this kit before, or is it something you will go out and buy? Just let me know in the comments below. And basically this is all you get in the box. You're getting two challenges. Plastic's quite nice, you know, it's quite a firm plastic, it doesn't feel too soft. There you go, you've got your all-in-one tracks there, so there's no need to go having to glue the wheels on or the sprocket and then put the track around. It's all in one piece. It's almost like a starter set really, but you don't get the paints or the glues. You have to sort that out yourself. There is some fine detail on there. They are recessed lines in there, but there's not too much detail. You've got some rivets there, as you can see if I bring it up close. But yeah, it's looking okay. Yeah, what else do you want really? I'm just trying to find the barrel. Where's the barrel too on this one? Just trying to find the barrel. Can you see the barrel there? Am I missing something here? Just looking through. I don't know where the barrel is on this one. Let me just quickly check the instructions. The barrel is there. There's no numbers on this or nothing, so you're just going to have to find your way through on this kit. But I can't see it. Oh, there's the barrel there. Honestly, that was a bit tough, but yeah, not a bad looking barrel. You might have to a bit of work on that, bit of clean up, but there is hardly any flash on this at all. It just seems like a really nice build. Again, you get exactly the same on this one, so you're getting 2 tanks in this kit. Yeah. Yeah, I've got very little to say, but what I'll probably do is build one just for the crack really. It's quite simple, quite nice. You've got your skirts there, a turret, looks like a 2-piece turret there, which then fits in that hole, and then everything else is looking pretty good. But yeah, not much really to talk about this kit, but as I said, for £7.22, that's £3.61 per kit. I think it's not bad, and I think, you know, I'll build one and I'll put it on the channel in pictures so you can see. But yeah, that's really basically it. There's no call out or nothing, so I can't really talk to you about it. Just looking at the picture there, you know, what is he doing? Was that proper, more like a light black really, with some sort of sand there on top. Just trying to think of some colours I could use for this one. You know, you could use it as an olive drab, but there is definitely on, if you Google it, there'll probably be numerous Crusader II tanks which you can go and buy decals for and give yourself a scheme to build. But that's basically it for this one. But yeah, again, thanks to Wrecker's Yard Toys. There'll be a link in the description box below where you can go and buy this kit. And they also sell other models there as well, and paints and accessories for scale modelling. And thank you to them for sending me this kit for review. There you go. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll never miss another video from this channel. Thank you to my channel members who are on the screen now. If you'd like to become a channel member, there's a join button and membership start from $1.99. If you've not seen my last video, click here. If you'd like to see a playlist of all my catalogues that I filmed, click here.